How to add transparency to a gradient in Photoshop, PC or Mac. Go to the Tools panel and select the Gradient tool. Press G on the keyboard. Also go up to the top and select Classic Gradient. Then go to the gradients here and click. And here you've got all the presets. I'm going to go with this gradient. So with this gradient you can now see all the colour stops along here. But you can also go along to the end and click there and just drag it slightly away, maybe make it 97, 98, and then click again and add another stop. Then with that, go here and select the opacity and set it to 0. So this one is set to 100, this one is set to 0. So it's got a bit of transparency at the edge. So this is the red there. Click OK and then apply it. And as this is for radial, you can see the result of that. So you've got this area is totally transparent. So if you apply it again, you can see every time you apply it, you've got this effect. Also, if you want to click here and go along to the other end, you can again move this slightly and again click again, add another stop there, and again go here, opacity, and set it to 0. This time when you click OK, you can apply this. You get obviously a little dot in the centre, but it's more useful if you go up here with the linear, click here, apply it, and now you'll get this bar design so you can see through and see all the other gradient designs below that. You can then repeat it and apply it multiple times to create all kinds of visual effects. If you want a donut or ring effect, click here, and instead of having it crunched at this end, simply go here, select that black one and drag it further along, and also drag this and create transparency here. That will be the ring in the center. Now if you want the colors again, exactly the same as before, you need to select and just drag them along like that to make certain all the colors are available to your design. So I'm going to select that one, place it there, and that one there. And you can see now you've got all the colors again. Click OK and drag, and now you can see a donut or ring effect.